Let's talk about that. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it was a great feeling. I mean, I don't even know if I was 45 days into the program yet, but I had already made back my investment, I think twice at least. And yeah, it felt great because I was putting out a ton of money and not making anything in the other program. And then all I get back is, well, gee, I guess it didn't work out the way we thought it would. Well, yeah, I don't think it did. So I just talked to other people that also weren't getting results in the program. And because of you guys and how you teach, they decided to come over and check it out. So they got your free consultation and move forward after talking to you guys.
Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. I mean, we love to do that, getting people on, with a free console, find out where they are. It's a good way to really, you know, find out if they're a beginner, intermediate, advanced, and things like that, and find out what the biggest struggles are as well. And we can help solve some problems sometimes within that call as well.